Welcome to anatomy class. Today we'll discuss about digestive system. This system helps in a process of intake of food and it converts the food into a useful form. That system which is inside the human body is known as digestive system. If you could see the digestive system, its various parts includes. So in this section we'll study about the various parts, how the food is going through the mouth and getting away the digestive non-absorbed food through feces. So this is the mouth in which the food is put into. Then it goes to the throat, then to a pipe known as food pipe, then to stomach, then to small intestine and large intestine. At the end, the waste products are going out through feces. This process is known as digestive system. Okay, in this digestive system, we have two parts. First one is known as gastrointestinal tract, GIT. The other name for gastrointestinal tract is alimentary tract. If you see, a tract means something is moving forward. Yes, in this system also, the food is moving forward from the mouth to a tube and goes back and goes out. The non-absorbed goes out. So that is known as a tract or way, pathway. So gastrointestinal tract or alimentary tract. The second part is digestive glands or accessory organs. These digestive glands helps in secretions of enzymes helpful for the digestion of the foods. Okay, so GI tract or gastrointestinal tract is a route through which the nutrients, substances, minerals, fluids enter the body. Okay. Before going to the digestive system, let me learn the definition of digestion. Digestion definition. It goes like this. It is a process of breakdown of large or complex molecules into simple molecules for absorption. For example, you are eating a banana. That banana goes to the mouth, is chewed and made into soft, then goes to the food pipe, then to stomach, again digestion happens, small intestine, large intestine where absorption takes place. So, in the process of digestion, the food is made into smaller particles and absorption takes place. So, there is a process of breakdown of larger molecules or complex molecules into a simple one for the absorption is known as digestion. So, digestion is being done by digestive system. Next, we'll move on to the parts of GI tract as well as digestive glands or accessory organs. So, these are the parts of GI tract. First one is mouth. So, this is the mouth or it is known as oral cavity where the food is put into is the mouth. Second part is pharynx, the throat. The throat in which the food passes is the pharynx. The third portion is esophagus or otherwise it is known as food pipe. The fourth one, this is the food pipe. Then the next fourth one is stomach where the food is temporarily stored for helping in the digestion. Stomach. Next part is small intestine. After the stomach, the food goes to the small intestine. This is small intestine. Is the longest organ in this digestive system. Next one is large intestine. After the small intestine digestion, everything is done. It goes to the large intestine where absorption takes place. Last part, seventh part is rectum and anal canal. So there is an anal canal as well as a rectum. In the rectum, the waste products is temporarily stored and when you go to the restroom, it moves off. So this process is known as, organs involved is known in the digestive system in which these are the parts of GI tract, mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and the last rectum and anal canal. Next, digestive glands. There are 4 digestive glands These digestive glands produces or secretes enzymes. These are glands which produces enzyme which is helpful for the digestion of all the foods that we eat. So that glands are one of his salivary glands which is present around the mouth or neck area, salivary glands, liver, this is a liver, this is what you see is a liver, gallbladder and pancreas. Gallbladder is seen a little bit down of the liver as a green like sac-like structure, is a gland that secretes bile. And pancreas. Pancreas are leafy like structures. This also secretes enzymes which is helpful for digestion. So in the digestive system there are two parts, gastrointestinal tract which are the 7 parts which is above, as well as the digestive glands. These are the digestive glands. Next we'll move on to the activities in the digestive system. There are 5 activities that takes place in the digestive system. So as we move through this subject or this system, I will be telling you ingestion or propulsion, but you should be able to know what you mean by that. Okay, these activities we'll move forward. First one is ingestion. Ingestion is something that in which you are putting a food or intake of food particles into the mouth is known as ingestion. Ingestion is the food particles going through the mouth or intake. Example, eating, drinking. That means through that process the food is going into the digestive system. That process is known as ingestion. Second one is propulsion. Propulsion means moving. The food particle is mixed up in the oral cavity with the help of tongue. Then it is moved towards the alimentary tracts, esophagus and small intestine. That process moving of food particles through the tract is known as propulsion. Movement or moving of the food particles through the alimentary canal is known as propulsion. Next, the third one is digestion. Digestion means it is divided into 2, mechanical breakdown as well as chemical digestion. Okay, if you have a food in your mouth, you tend to chew. You tend to break into smaller pieces. Example, a banana you're keeping in your mouth. It may be a bigger size. After putting into your mouth, it make into smaller pieces with the help of teeth as well as tongue which is there in the oral cavity. In the oral cavity, the space the food has gone into with the help of tongue as well as the teeth, the food has been broken down. That process is known as mechanical breakdown or chewing. The other name is mastication. The food is chewed. That process is known as mastication. This mechanical breakdown along with chemical breakdown that happens in the stomach. In the stomach, again the food is made into smaller molecules with the help of enzymes that is segregated by the glands that we discussed earlier. So these chemical process happens with the help of enzymes is known as chemical digestion. So in this digestion, it's again divided into 2, mechanical breakdown and chemical digestion. In the mechanical breakdown, the food particles is broken down in smaller portions, whereas in the chemical breakdown that is happening in the stomach is made into smaller portions with the help of enzymes as well as that is being produced by the glands. The next portion part is absorption. Absorption. As the word means something to absorb. Yes, the food particles after going to the stomach, it goes to small intestine and large intestine. In the small intestine and large intestine, the minute minerals, vitamins, required substance are being absorbed by the walls of small intestine. By the walls of small intestine, the food particles is absorbed into the circulation. Next is elimination. The last one is elimination. After, even though absorption is done, few particles becomes waste. Few articles, things that is being put into the mouth, that becomes waste. The waste or digested, indigested food particles is excreted through the alimentary canal is known as elimination. The process of the food substances that is not digested or absorbed are excreted through the alimentary tract or canal as feces is known as elimination. The process of throwing out the feces is known as defecation. The process of throwing out the feces is known as defecation. So I hope it is understood. There are activities, 5 activities that takes place in the digestive system. Ingestion, the food is going into. Propulsion, the movement of the food through the canal. Digestion, mechanical as well as chemical breakdown of food is digestion. Absorption, where the important minerals, vitamins, nutrients is absorbed in the small and large intestine. The term is absorption. Last is elimination. The waste products is thrown out is known as elimination. Yes. So this is a dummy, a small dummy which shows about the digestive system, in which the food particles, as we put into maybe a rice, curd, dal, anything that you eat, first is put into the mouth. Through the mouth it goes to the oral cavity. In the oral cavity we have tongue as well as teeth will help in digestion, mechanical breakdown. After the mechanical breakdown is done, it is swallowed down through the throat to the food pipe known as esophagus. After the food pipe, it reaches the stomach. This is a liver. This is a stomach. A J-shaped organ stomach. A rough surface inside for digestion purpose. So this is a stomach. Temporary storage of food takes place in the stomach. Then after the stomach, the food particles is moved to a small intestine. This is a small intestine. It's all curved. Small intestine. From the small intestine, it is moving out to large intestine. Through a large intestine. This is a large intestine. So food particles has gone here through this, and the waste particles move out through rectum. You have a leafy-like structure known as pancreas, is a digestive gland. This is a liver, the largest gland, liver, which also helps in the digestion of food. I hope it is clear. So today we dealt about what is digestive system, what do you mean by digestion, as well as the parts of GI tract or alimentary tract, the parts or different digestive glands. Last we dealt with activities in digestive system. In the next classes we will be dealing each parts in detail. Then only we will be able to finish this digestive system. I hope you enjoyed these classes and understood. Please make sure you prepare the notes and study. Thank you.